Ever felt like your PC was finally running perfectly, only for a Windows update to come along and ruin everything? You aren't imagining it. Microsoft has a habit of silently resetting your custom settings back to their factory defaults after an update. If your system feels sluggish or cluttered again, it's time to take back control. Here are the essential settings you need to fix right now. First, let's clean up that Start menu. Microsoft loves using your taskbar as a billboard for recommended apps and random suggestions. Even if you've cleared it before, updates often flip these toggles back on. Head into Settings, go to Personalization, and click on Start. Turn off all the toggles under the Recommendation section. Your Start menu should work for you, not for Microsoft's advertisers. Let's jump straight into the deep end with Performance. The Visual Effects Reset. This is a hidden speed killer. Navigate to your settings, go to System, and click About. Find Advanced System Settings on the right. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Windows loves to reset this to Let Windows Choose, which enables dozens of useless animations that lag your UI. Select Custom and uncheck everything except for smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps your text crisp while making your window snap open instantly. This next one is a major headache. You probably have a preferred browser or PDF reader, but Windows loves to helpfully suggest that Microsoft Edge is the better choice by making it the default again. To put things back the way they belong, go back to your settings window and click on Apps in the left side menu. From there, click on the section titled Default Apps. Use the search bar at the top to type in the name of your favorite browser like Chrome or Firefox. Click on it and then click the Set Default button in the top right corner. Do the same for your PDF viewer to ensure Microsoft hasn't performed a silent takeover of your file associations. Are you tired of those "let's finish setting up your device" pop-ups or random tips appearing in your notifications? Updates frequently reset your alert preferences to be as intrusive as possible. Stay in your settings, but click on System at the top of the left sidebar. Now click on Notifications. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Additional Settings. Uncheck all three boxes here to stop Windows from nagging you with welcome experiences and suggestions on how to use Windows. If you want absolute silence, you can even flip the master notification switch at the top to off. Now, let's talk about pure performance. Updates often re-enable background services like OneDrive or the Widgets panel, which quietly sip on your RAM and CPU cycles. Right-click any empty space on your taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. On the left-hand side of the Task Manager window, click the icon that looks like a small tachometer. That's your Startup Apps tab. Click the Status column header to sort the list. Look for anything labeled Enabled that you don't actually need the second you turn on your PC, like game launchers or redundant updaters. Right-click those items and select Disable. Reducing your startup load will result in a significantly snappier boot time. Next, we need to address your digital footprint. Windows uses your diagnostic data to build a profile for tailored experiences, which is just a fancy way of saying they're tracking your usage to show you targeted ads and suggestions. This feature is notorious for resurrecting itself after a major update. In your Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. Under the Windows Permission section, you'll see Recommendations and Offers. Click that. This is the new home for what used to be called Tailored Experiences. Go ahead and toggle off everything here. Personalized offers, advertising ID, and especially those recommendations and offers in settings. Now hit the back arrow and click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Ensure Send Optional Diagnostic Data is toggled off. By shutting these doors, you're stopping Windows from building a marketing profile on you, leading to a leaner, more private machine. The reality is that Windows updates do more than just patch security holes. They often reset the Microsoft preferred status quo. Make it a routine to audit these menus every few months so your PC stays optimized for you, not for them. Leave a comment below and tell me which setting Windows keep trying to force back on your machine. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense Windows tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.